Welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. So yes, this LED faucet light comes in with a price range of £2.32, that's 301 in US dollars. Looking closely at this LED light, you can see it has a spindle fitment, and to the back, the instructions, well, basically this comes in a single colour, which is blue. But also available is the colour white, green, red, yellow and purple. Basically we're going to take this out just now and fit this to an existing faucet. What we're going to do first of all is get a tea towel, take a grip of the existing faucet end, unscrew it slowly, let any existing drips drip out. And basically what we're going to do is replace it with this LED faucet end. Keep in mind it has a diameter of 2.4 centimeters. So this LED faucet end will only fit certain types of faucets. Now, making sure that the water seal is secure in the end of the LED faucet end, we're going to now screw into place. And now secure and now in place, we're just going to turn the tap on and see if this LED light does illuminate. Now that is sexy. Oh, it goes brighter. Oh, it goes dim. Let's do the DJ mode. Yeah man, that looks fabulous. And well, there you go. This LED faucet light really makes your kitchen just stand right out. So again, I must stress that this gadget is basically a gimmick and is a bit quirky. But what I'm going to do is quickly list some of the specifications just here, so you guys will not get mixed up and buy this thinking it will fit any faucet. Remember, it is a particular size and it will only fit certain taps or faucet ends. So let's just clear them away. No, I mean away. And basically, this is a cool little gadget. I will leave the buy now link for this LED faucet light within the video description down below. And please guys, it's always important to share this video where possible. Please smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my next video, and thanks for watching. Peace!